Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock market only way. Start by defining clear goals, build a diversified portfolio, and learn to manage risk with position sizing and stop orders. Focus on long-term growth, avoid chasing hot tips, and rebalance when allocations drift by more than 5%. Practice with a paper account, track performance, and refine your plan based on objective metrics and discipline consistently over time. Start by screening for industries you understand and companies with rising revenue and healthy margins. Read quarterly reports, listen to earnings calls, and check balance sheets for cash and debt. Use valuation comparisons to find reasonable entry points and avoid overpriced stocks. Combine qualitative advantages with quantitative signals, then test ideas in a small allocation to see how they behave before increasing exposure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a bold, clean scent that lasts through commutes. It pairs surprisingly well with playlist prep before trading sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Manage risk by deciding how much of your portfolio each idea can occupy and sticking to that rule. Use stops to prevent emotional decisions and consider dollar cost averaging to smooth entries. Maintain cash reserves for opportunities and avoid margin unless you understand leverage risks. Review trades objectively, learn from mistakes, and let winners run within your risk limits to compound growth steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.